Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a massive kitchen overhaul with the SENSARTE 26-piece non-stick pots and pans set. If you're looking to upgrade your entire cookware collection at once, this set promises a lot, and we're here to see if it delivers. First off, let's talk about what makes a cookware set truly healthy in today's world. SENSARTE highlights their Switzerland ILAG non-stick surface. This is crucial because it means the set is free from PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. These are the common culprits we want to avoid leaching into our food, especially when cooking at higher temperatures or with acidic ingredients. The company emphasizes that this non-stick coating is designed to be long-lasting, outperforming ceramic surfaces in durability. This is a bold claim and something we'll be keeping an eye on during our testing. The promise of excellent food release means less oil is needed, which directly contributes to healthier, low-fat cooking. Now, let's get down to the sheer quantity of what you get. A 26-piece set is not for the faint of heart, or for small kitchens. It includes 9.5 and 11-inch frying pans, a 12-inch 5-quart sauté pan with a lid, 4.5-quart and 6.6-quart stockpots with lids, and 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids. What's interesting here is that the lids for the frying pans are also interchangeable with the sauté pan, which is a clever space-saving design element. Beyond the pots and pans themselves, the set throws in an 11-inch grill pan, a 9.8-inch crepe pan complete with a spreader, and a selection of essential silicone utensils, a spatula, spoon, and tongs. To top it all off, you get 8 pot protectors to prevent scratches when stacking. This is a comprehensive package, aiming to equip you with almost everything you'd need for daily cooking. Cleaning is always a major consideration with non-stick cookware, and SENSARTE claims effortless cleaning. They suggest a simple wipe with a paper towel or a quick rinse with water. While hand washing is recommended, the ease of cleaning is a huge selling point. If it truly wipes clean, it significantly reduces the hassle after a meal. From a construction standpoint, this set is designed for versatility. The 4.8 mm thick stainless steel pan bottoms ensure compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. The die-cast aluminum construction is a standard for good reason, allowing for rapid and even heating. This even heat distribution is critical for preventing hot spots and ensuring your food cooks uniformly. The company also states no warping and durable construction, which is essential for longevity. Comfort and safety in design are addressed with the Stay Cool handles and glass lids. The wood grain Bakelite handles are ergonomically shaped, promising a comfortable grip. The explosion-proof glass lids are a practical touch, allowing you to monitor your cooking without losing heat or creating a mess with splatters. So, let's break down the pros and cons of this extensive SENSARTE set. On the positive side, the sheer value and comprehensiveness of a 26-piece set are undeniable. If you are starting from scratch or looking to replace almost your entire collection, this offers a lot of bang for your buck. The emphasis on healthy, non-toxic materials like the PFOA and PFOS-free coating is a significant advantage. The inclusion of various pan sizes and types, along with accessories, makes it a complete solution for many home cooks. The induction compatibility is also a big plus for many modern kitchens. The promise of long-lasting non-stick performance and easy cleaning, if true, would make daily cooking and cleanup much more enjoyable. However, there are potential downsides to consider. A 26-piece set can be overwhelming. Storage will be a significant challenge for many. While the pot protectors are a nice touch, the sheer volume of items might still lead to wear and tear if not managed carefully. The claim of long-lasting, non-stick performance needs to be validated through real-world use over time. Many non-stick coatings, even high-quality ones, eventually degrade. We'll have to see how this ILAG coating holds up. Also, while the handles are designed to stay cool, it's always wise to use oven mitts when dealing with any cookware. The quality of the included utensils is also often a mixed bag in large sets. In conclusion, the SENSARTE 26-piece non-stick pots and pans set is an ambitious offering that aims to be a one-stop solution for your kitchen needs. It prioritizes health with its non-toxic coating and offers a wide array of pieces designed for everyday cooking and various cooking styles. If you have the space and are looking for an extensive, budget-friendly upgrade with a focus on healthier cooking, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.